Your presentation skills are as superb as your magic tricks. I would highly recommend you to perform at any social occasion.
Karen Maldonado, I'm with Corporate America Family Credit Union. Oh, everybody's been having a great time. Jaws dropping on the floor, everybody laughing. The booths, people at the booths, we can see you guys a couple booths down and everybody's like, oh, I hope he's coming here. Man, I wish I'd known who this guy was a couple Christmases ago. We had a big corporate party that we could have used him at. 2 thumbs up.
I wanted to take a moment to express just how impressed we were with your performance the other night. Everyone agreed it was our best show yet. You are a great showman and a pleasure to work with.
Dr. Robert Coffey, Coffey Family Chiropractic. Excellent. He is a master at distraction. I was mesmerized the entire time. It was amazing. He did stuff that I can't even explain. I can't come anywhere near to explaining what he did. It's just amazing. I think Michael would be great. I'd love to have him at my booth to help bring people to my booth.
People of all ages come in to see Mike. He's one of the best magicians I've seen.